To create a grid, raise the quad and under the Model section, click on Rectangular Grid. When creating the grid, you can enter values for the spacing of the axes and the total length and height of the grid by pressing the Tab key. Left-click or press Enter to choose an endpoint. Double-clicking the grid allows you to edit axes individually, change grid label values, add axes, and so on. Make sure you save the changes by clicking the Save icon. It is also possible to create radial grids using these same steps.